guys, good morning. Sunray here. Just wanted to get ready really quick. Running out the door. So let's start with some moisturizer. The Hourglass Illusion Priming Moisturizer, available at Beautylish. You all know that the gift card event is going on right now. For every $100 spent, you can earn a $20 gift card towards a future purchase. Shout out to Beautylish for gifting that product to me. I have been enjoying it since using it, and just look at the moisture that it puts right back into the skin. Now we're gonna go in with some sunscreen. Today I'm gonna go light, so I'm gonna use my Merit The Uniform. It's tinted and I wear shade number 10. Gonna put a little bit right in my hands. Goes right on, and I apply this with my fingers. Just to give some coverage to my skin, nothing too heavy. I just want a little something, right? All right, now, like I said, that is tinted. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. This is my on-the-go mom face. All right, I had to grab some brushes. All right, so CeraCryl Face Flex, Holy Grail Concealer. You all know what it is. Geared towards those of us 40 and over. I love it, why? Because I don't have to set it, and because it's an amazing product. Going with Sarah's Complexion brush. Blending that out. I'm going in for a doctor visit to get a quick checkup. If you all haven't gotten your mammograms, please do that. It's very important. And I think I'll see if the lab has time to get my updated labs drawn. All right, for quick bronzing, I'm gonna go in with my FARA HOMIDI bronzer in the shade Aroma. This is the refill packaging, and I have Ombre also, which I love. So this is the refill of Roma. And I'm gonna go in with Sonia G's Face Pro. This brush is also available at Beautylish. And it is an amazing tool. I can use it for bronzer, for blush, and for powdering. And I use it for all three of those tasks because I love a multitasking tool. Let me know if you guys have tried this brush or any of Sonia's brushes. I will be demoing the newest release soon. Probably, maybe later on today if I have time, I will come on and do that for you all, demo them. All right. I'm also gonna take this same bronzer across these lids for a quick one and done monochromatic shadow. If you don't know, this is a nice way to feel put together. And make it quick, right? I've also got to do a Costco run, so may as well look cute while doing it. All right, let's handle these brows. Let's see. Victoria Beckham Beauty. So I have the Victoria Beckham Beauty BabyBlade in medium brown, and I really have been enjoying this pencil. Send me a DM if you'd like to know how you can save 20% off of Victoria Beckham Beauty. And I also have an affiliate code with her as well. I mean, affiliate link. So that if you purchase using my link, I will earn a small commission. And all commissions earned are reinvested into the content that I provide for you. So I'm just going to go really lightly here. Just giving the brows some definition. Again, the shade that I'm using is medium brown. Look how easy that was. I'm going to brush it up so that I can blend the product in. Before, after. Do let me know if there's any products from her brand that you would like me to try. I have a full review up of the foundation drops. They are absolutely amazing. I was also able to try some of the skincare. Loved it as well. So, yeah, do let me know. And do catch her documentary, Victoria Beckham, on Netflix. I have found it very, very eye-opening and interesting. All right, that's all we're gonna do there. I'll be right back. And let's do some blush. We're gonna use the Hourglass Fox palette, also available at Beautylish. Thank you to Beautylish for gifting this to me, along with the Fox brush. And let's go in with number 2, which is Lucid Glow. This one here. It's, just give my cheeks a pop of something here, shall we? Oh, it's beautiful. If you don't know, I am a lover of Hourglass's powders. They are top tier. All right, perfect. Now we're going with some mascara, Fenty's Hella Thick and Chanel La Base. If you guys haven't tried a mascara primer, this one is A1. It's my favorite, which is why I have backups already in the drawer. Fenty Hella Thick. This also comes in a blue shade that I'm interested in picking up. I just haven't picked it up yet. I think it'd be fun to use for a pop of color.
Mommy.
Yes. That's fine. I'll put it on the charger for you. Huh?
Too.
Okay, give me a second, please.
Mommy.
Yes.
What is that?
I can't see it. Let me see. Tea.
Tea?
Mm-hmm.
Ew.
It's loose leaf tea.
Yeah.
Loose leaf. Ray, remember we're not doing iPads in the morning.
Oh, but I have iPad.
Brother has one? All right, we're just gonna do the top lashes today. Love how that looks. Maybe I'll do the bottom. Yeah, why not? Let's do it. We're doing a red lip because you guys know I love a red lip. And it's gonna be the Rouge Ardent from Sisley, gifted to me by Beautylish, and also available during the gift card event. For every $100 you spend, you earn a $20 gift card towards your next purchase, a future purchase. And it's unlimited, there's no cap. So if you spend 100, you'll get 20. If you spend 200, you'll get 40, and so on. All right, let's get this lippy. I thought I had it right here. Oh, it is right here. Sisley Rouge Ardent. If you're not aware, this is my favorite matte lip formula. All right, Hourglass Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. Love, love, love this stuff. I love the mist on it and everything. Also available at Beautylish. Let's fluff our fro. Oh, Pattern Beauty Leave-In Conditioner. That's what I like to use. And just getting it in here. I'll be with you in just a second, Niley. Move before you get makeup on your clothes. You're gonna get makeup all over your clothes, Niley. Then I'm gonna grab some shea butter for the oils. It's gonna be the Produit Natal Shea Soufflé. Looks like this. I don't need much.
Yeah.
See the curls. I have thin edges due to PCOS. Some of you may know that that causes male pattern baldness, but I don't let it keep me down at all. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Check my stories for updated deals. Join my broadcast channel. If you haven't, join my YouTube channel as well. I'll be linking all those in the following stories. Have a great one.